I'm always looking for ways to increase my income, and I quite regularly look at the different systems that are available on the internet, and I came across this new one, and I was really interested in it. I read up about it, and I thought I'd give it a go. So I signed up, and just totally amazing. In the first day alone, $1,188.60. So I carried on. I took a risk, and I carried on, and by the first month I'd made somewhere in the region of about $35,000. Just totally amazing. That's more than I've ever made in a year before. The reason why I was so amazed, so impressed with it, was because it required very little pre-knowledge or experience. No real technical knowledge was required, and anything that I did get stuck on, I was able to put in a support request, and it was answered pretty much instantaneously. It was true 24 hours a day, 7 days a week support. Just an amazing system. So if I was to rate it, I would give it somewhere around 9.5 out of 10. Just because it was so easy to use, it was so user-friendly, and the reward was out of this world for very little knowledge or experience. So I would definitely recommend anyone to sign up and use it. It's so easy, so user-friendly. So let me know how you get on and post me your results, and yeah, I'll see you soon.